Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Landlords, just a quick update on the following. Gqeberha, Champion, Umkhokha, Isiphetho, and My Brother's Keeper. Remember, I did tell you that these episodes were coming to an end, or these soapies, dramas, series were coming to an end, right? So Ujabulani McDonald reported these are the remaining episodes of the following shows coming to an end in 2025. Gqeberha the Empire, 10 episodes left in the current season. So they did say they're not going to renew Gqeberha the Empire. And with Uhlumelo being Hlumelo, I think also, or I agree also, that it should not be renewed. I think the storyline is boring now that Uluzuko left, right? So now what do you think? And then Kube with Champion. Champion is left with 25 episodes remaining in the current season. They did also say that Champion is gonna come to an end but personally I never watched Champion. By the time people were hyping it up, it was too far along and I did not have the energy to study it afresh. So that I can watch and catch up and see what's happening. Then Umkhokha the Curse, 45 episodes remaining in the current season. They said Umkhokha the Curse is ophela mara guys singahlula petition isihlule nje petition ukuthi siyenze ukuthi at least balethe season 3 izophela ngeseason 3 because wow, I really enjoy Umkhokha the Curse. They have that thing of making sure ukuthi they keep us at our toes, they give us unnecessary heart attack, but they do have their way. And then Kube Isiphetho. It is left with 70 episodes remaining in the current season. I was not a fan of Isiphetho. Like, the reason is I tried watching the first few episodes, right? But so I don't know, is it interesting? Is it something that we can review? I don't know, you tell me, my landlords. And then Kube My Brother's Keeper. My Brother's Keeper is left with 80 episodes remaining in the current season. Also, they are saying My Brother's Keeper is Opera, but I love My Brother's Keeper. I love it also because it also revolves around one family, right? And this family is always in conflict and it also shows us that one family in J can have a story because of the different family dynamics. Personally, this one I support. Also Umkhokha the Curse, but it seems like my support is not going to work. So let us make a petition. I send the petition. But while we're making a petition, do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.